Hi there, thanks for joining us. In this Repricer.com video, we're going to have a look at the suppressed buy box feature. Depending on the circumstances of the listing, Amazon won't always give a buy box. In these cases, it's important to tell Repricer how you want to compete. This could be to help you take the buy box, or even just to ensure that you're being competitive in an environment where there is none. To make this as easy as possible, we have added the suppressed buy box feature. In order to set it up, open your repricing rule. To do this, go to Repricing Rules on the left-hand side, then choose the rule you're looking to edit. You'll find this in the Scenarios section, which is on the Advanced Options tab. Just scroll down to Scenarios and you'll see the Suppressed Buy Box option. Please note that the Suppressed Buy Box feature is only available on the Plus plan and higher. Now, within the Suppressed Buy Box feature, there are 4 options available. The first is Reprice as normal. Basically, this means the feature does nothing, and you'll reprice the same way you would ordinarily. Next, you can choose to Do Not Reprice. Basically, this means if there is no buy box, your price will remain unchanged. Next, we have the option to go to your minimum price, and then also to your maximum price. The most common approach would be to choose Reprice as normal in this scenario, so you can choose what best fits your business. Thanks for joining us today. Why not look at some of the other videos that we have on the channel, or take a look at our help center to learn a bit more about the service. If you haven't already started your trial with Repricer.com, we offer a 14-day free trial. Or if you'd prefer, you can sign up a demo with one of our helpful team. Thanks for joining us today and have a great day.